Okay, so hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed. Also, third thing, this is a reading from um 16 till the 22nd of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. Now if you want to start learning from me, you can, if you want to be a reader like me, you can start by purchasing my course. Actually, my website is there, and you are going to like find out the workshop, the like ebook, and my course, and one-on-one healing sessions and personal reading links are also there for you guys. Like you can connect via whatever services you want. Now if you have any queries or any doubts or any questions, you can mail me on tarotanjali@gmail.com. My team will reply for sure. It's going to take some time. Please be very patient, very patient. Virgo, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Four of Pentacles. Someone is holding on to this energy of, this is it, this is, I'm going to hold on to maybe for the rest of my life. This is like someone is like a closed book right now that you're not able to read, but at the same time they're like giving some kind of hints. Let me clarify this Four of Pentacles. Someone is holding on to something very tightly here, and they're like, no matter what, I'm never letting go of this. This is important, this is something that I have to work on. Okay, let's see, let's clarify. We have the Queen of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands. Wow. See, this person is feeling they should drop the situation because even if there's a lot of love from this person's side towards the situation always end up in some kind of disaster. So what is the use of even telling you that they love you, according to them? So this is somebody who feels like they can't let you go energetically, they can't let you go out of their system, and it's not easy for them. But they feel they should drop the situation because every time they try to do something about it, they try to make this work out, it fails. So it's very stressful for them to let this situation like go like this only. So they feel like they should keep their emotions to themselves, and they should just let go of this situation on a physical level, not energetically. They still have emotions, they still care. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Nine of Pentacles. You feel like you should be focused on your money, job, career, your independence, your freedom, and it's about you and you only right now at this present moment, and about your financial freedom, your goals. Let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles. We have the Five of Swords, the Hanged Man, the Devil card. You feel you should protect yourself from being in any kind of toxic connection, toxic situation whatsoever, as deeply as you can. You are like, you feel like protecting yourself from being in any kind of situation where you are going to get abused, abused, used, hurt. My God. So you feel like protecting yourself right now, and that is why you feel like you should just remain focused on yourself instead of focusing on love and relationship area, because that area right now is not a very healthy part of your journey. You feel like you should just surrender to the divine, detach from everything and everyone toxic, and focus on yourself right now. You feel like you should listen to your mind rather than your heart, and your mind is continuously telling you to focus on yourself and leave the love and relationship portion behind. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Two of Wands. Their intention is to just wait and watch. They're like, okay, let's wait and watch. Let's put this situation on hold for the time being and wait. Okay. Let's clarify the Two of Wands. They are not giving up on this situation completely, even if it is coming like to a disaster again and again and again. It's very complicated. Five of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Devil, Five of Swords. Hangman is not a bad or good card. It's just a surrender mode kind of a card. Spiritual alignment. But this is quite tough, delayed, and stuck kind of energies. Complicated. It's quite complicated. Yeah. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, the Strength card. They're waiting very, very patiently. They just want to wait very, very patiently for the time, and they will be able to release something that they're holding on to. Resentment, anger, frustration, the love that they have for you. They just want to wait for the time very, very courageously when they will be able to release whatever they're holding on to. Big, 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 big time. They're like, I know someday will come that I will be able to release and let go and be free. And they're waiting for that day very, very eagerly. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Five of Wands. You just want to let go of the drama, the chaos, and the conflict. It's drama all the time, it's chaos and conflict all the time. You just want to let go of all this nonsense. You're like, I am done. I don't want to be a part of this drama anymore. I just want to let go. Let me clarify the Five of Wands. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, the High Priestess. You just want to keep your heart heartbreak to yourself. Just want to keep your hurt and pain to yourself, and you just want to focus on yourself. It's like you don't want to reveal too much to anybody about whatever you are going through, about whatever painful experiences you are going through. You just want to move on, and you just want to focus on your individual growth and success right now at this present moment. Because of the chaos, the drama, the complications, everything that you have gone through, you are fed up of all this nonsense, and now you feel like you should just focus on yourself whatsoever. Feelings also, intentions also, coming to this Nine of Pentacles energy of, let me focus on myself, my money, my job, career, and everything about me. Okay, let's see what is coming towards it till the 22nd of December. Ten of Wands. Okay, dropping the situation. It's too stressful. Dropping the stressful situation. At least trying to drop it and move ahead. Let me clarify the Ten of Wands. I'm having an itching attack right now. God. Let's see. We have the World card, the King of Wands, the Knight of Cups. It's like someone is like letting go of the passion and letting go of this energy of my way or highway kind of a deal. Someone is trying to fix it like with you, with love, with compassion, with this nurturing kind of energy of, okay, let's drop the egos and let's talk to each other, like have heart to heart conversation with each other, and let's try to sort it out. Someone will try to sort it out with you with the love and compassion instead of ego and passion. Wow, rhymes. So someone is dropping their ego and they're trying to connect with you with all of their heart and soul, and they're trying to fix it with you because they still care and still love you. Wow. Could be you, could be them, could be both of you trying to come to the point of, okay, let's fix this with each other with the love and compassion instead of ego and passion again. Rhyming words, I love it. Games of poetry. It's okay, let's see the guidance for you guys, Virgo. We have the Knight of Cups. Okay, keep your energies open. At least keep your energies for a peaceful resolution to the problem that you guys are facing in this situation. If you Virgo, I'm talking to you only. If you guys don't want to reconcile with somebody, you can at least have this energy of forgiveness. You can at least have this energy of, okay, let's talk to each other about whatever is happening or whatever happened. Let's forgive and forget and move ahead, maybe on our separate ways. But keep your energies open for at least for the time, at least for the energy of forgiveness, if not reconciliation. Yeah. So that is the way to deal with this situation right now. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.